Hi everyone, welcome to the DIY residence. Today I'm going to share with you how we remodeled our master bathroom. So this is the look of how it was before. Today I'm super excited to be partnering up with Heidi Sonboul and her Heidi Sonboul home channel, as well as Abbie from Abbie's Nest. So I'll have both links in the description below. Make sure that you click on those links. Heidi is such an amazing and talented woman who does many DIY projects, home decor and home organization. Make sure to watch her and click the link below. The reason we did a remodel in this bathroom is because we had some water leaks and some molding, so it was something that we had to do. It was not just for the remodeling itself, and since we were taking that work, we wanted to change up some of the bathroom layout, especially removing that corner tub that was taking a lot of space, as well as the corner standing shower that was very old and needed to go. So this is what the process looks like during the renovation period. So I'm gonna show you how everything looks once it's done. For the main renovations, we hired contractors to do the work. Once the main renovation was done, I did some final touches just to upgrade what I already had so that I could minimize the cost. So some easy steps would be just to change the old hardware. This is the gold hardware that was there before, and I upgraded to these ones that I got from Amazon. I also used some decor pieces that was so inexpensive. These baskets are from the Dollarama. The little cactuses are from IKEA. The granite countertop I was able to buy from Marketplace, and I was able to cut it to size and to make it fit onto my previous vanity. If you're joining my channel for the first time, then welcome to the DIY residence. I upload new videos every week, and I share the many DIY projects that I do in hopes to inspire others to do crafts as well. So if this is something that interests you, please hit the subscribe button as well as the bell icon so you don't miss on any of my upcoming videos. I always wanted to have some floating shelves above my toilet in the bathroom, but I didn't want it to pay so expensive to get some floating shelves. So what I'm going to do is to do this full floating shelf idea that I saw all over in Pinterest. So that's what I'm going to do here. I basically got some 2x6 wood pieces from the hardware store that I got them to cut to size, and then I'm using these L brackets also that I got from the hardware store, and I just spray painted it into a copper dark brown color, and using this painter's tape I just leveled with a level ruler, and I placed it where I wanted the shelves to be, and I'm just putting the L brackets using my electric drill, and that's where I'll be placing the shelves. So once you have all your decor pieces, you won't be able to see the brackets, and it should be like a full floating shelf. I really enjoyed how it turned out, and it was such an easy project to do, and it didn't cost a fraction of what it would be if I did actually get floating shelves. So this is the wood pieces that I stained using Minwax in the stained dark walnut, and I'm just putting some screws underneath just to make sure everything is secured in place. And after all the hard work, always comes the fun part where you get to decor and to place everything that you think would look pretty on those shelves. So here I got this little basket that I placed some washcloths, as well as these little body washes that I got as a birthday gift, and this little jar that I got on special at furniture store. And I'm just putting some items that would look really nice but that I'm not using on a regular basis, so I don't need to go and grab it from there, and it would mainly act as decor pieces. This little basket I got at the thrift store, and it has cotton swabs, and here again some cotton balls that would look super neat on top. And the basket right there, I'll be placing some toilet paper rolls. So this is how it looks like once everything is decorated, and I think it looks super nice, and I'm super excited at how it turned out to be. So let me show you around and to show you how it looks like. So this is the vanity. I used the existing vanity, and I was able to find this gorgeous granite countertop that I was able to cut into size and to make it work in our space. It looks super high end. I love how it turned out. And we used this wood texture ceramic for the flooring tiles as well as the wall of my shower right here, and it looks super neat and it gives that space, and I was able to maximize the corner space for this bath. And this is the corner with the floating shelves, and I love this little bench that I have in the corner. This painting right here is something that I painted years ago, and I always had it in my bathroom. Again, you can see the date in 2013. I love this painting, and I kept it in every bathroom of houses that we moved from. And this is the corner standing shower. I love how it is. I also have some greenery, a lucky bamboo there, some wall art, and here the old mirror, we kept it, and I just framed it using some scrap pieces of wood that I stained with dark walnut. So that's the tour of my bathroom. I really loved how it turned out, and I was able to add few touches here and there just to elevate everything, and without necessarily having to break the bank even more. So as you can see, the wood flooring, the wood look flooring that I love so much. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to leave my video a thumbs up, and I'll see you around. Bye bye.